Hello, welcome to Waypoint Survival. Today, I want to show you a cutting board hack that no one knows. Stay tuned. So one of the problems that we have when we're out doing our bushcraft and survival training is where to put our cookware, to cut bacon, to prepare food. It can be a real problem. And often the ground is wet or soggy and could even be snow on the ground. And yes, this is a brand new Stanley pot. I just picked it up today and I haven't yet had it in the fire. But what do we do when we want to have a table? And I know there's a lot of bushcraft options, but I want to show you something that perhaps you've never thought of before. So what we have here is a standard poly cutting board. And I picked this up at Walmart for $2.97. So it's relatively cheap. And you can get a look at it here a little closer. It's 8.5 by 11 inches. And they're pretty easy to find. It's pretty lightweight and durable. And I like the fact that it's not made of wood, so it's not going to retain bacteria and such. The next thing you want to do is you want to get 3 sticks. And they're roughly from armpit to fingertip, so that's a good rough estimate. And one of them is cut down, as you can see it, it's about 1.5 inches to 2 inches shorter than the other two. And we just have a standard tripod lashing, so that's nothing special, so I went ahead and just did that off camera. Now you want to take these top two and you want to spread them open, but in such a way that the shorter stick is in the middle. So kind of like this. Alright, that's important. That's why that one is shorter. Now, once we've got that lined up, take the cutting board, and of course this is the handle for carrying it. And I like this because it's got a little bit of a dish. It's got a lip around it. So we want to put these two over top like this. Spread that out. And then extend this. Just like that. And this short stick on the bottom is what helps to hold it up. And then we can set it down on the ground, and this is adjustable for height. Now you can make these sticks however long you want them. Of course, the important thing is that they fit inside of this slot right here for the handle, so they can't be much bigger around than that. And that's about the size of my little finger or my index finger, depending on the size of the board that you use. And I tested this with a gallon and full gallon, which is over 8 pounds, and it held it just fine. So as you can see, it's really sturdy, and it's a great hack for your cutting board, and works really well. It holds quite a bit of weight, and I think it's something that you'll like taking out into the woods with you, especially for those of you who like to cook and make your own meals. And there's a little bit more of a close-up of what it looks like, and then zoomed in much closer so you can get a better idea of how it's cantilevered using the tripod. This is James Bender for Waypoint Survival. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also make sure and check out the links in the description box below. And while you're down there, you'll also find our waypointsurvival.com link. This is where you can sign up to take great survival and bushcraft training classes here at our facility in Southern Ohio. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. We'd really appreciate it. And when you do subscribe, make sure and press that bell button so that you can stay notified of all of our upcoming videos, and we'll talk to you next time.